Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share to you my medical experience at St. Luke's. I am RER1 visa category. I will flash in here all the requirements that is needed for the medical. My medical appointment was May 2nd of 2024 and my appointment time is 8 a.m. I think I went there around 9:12, so I went there ahead of time. I showed my St. Luke's appointment and gave it to the Kuya Guard. Tapos, tinignan niya yung category ko. Binigyan niya ako ng priority number which is color orange. For every category, iba-iba yung kulay niya. So, sa IR1, it is orange. And then, don't forget to bring face mask. Di ka nila i-allow ito ng face mask sa loob. So, kabigyan ni Kuya ng priority number para makapasok ka na sa loob. Lalagyan kanina nila ito. After that, sasabihin ka na pumunta ka na ng photo room. Pipicturean ka. Paglabas mo, meron lalaki doon na kukunin lahat ng documents mo. I-check niya ang lahat ng documents kung complete. After checking my documents, sinabi ni Kuya doon na, okay, you're good to go. Go to the right side on the reception area and wait for your number to be called. So I waited there and then interview ako, petitioner's name, address, phone number sa US. Kailangan memorize mo talaga yung complete address at saka yung phone number ng husband mo or any your petitioner's details. After that, sasabihin ka mismo sa counter kung saan na yung next step, which is, sinabihan ako na pupunta na ako sa 5th floor para magbayad. So, nag-a-accept sila ng credit card. So, yung payment pala ng adult is around 18,540. Yung sa pang-kids naman, I think nasa 11,000. Third floor to do my x-ray. Dito sa x-ray, medyo mag-antay ka lang ng medyo matagal-tagal kasi marami yung pila sa x-ray. So, pagpunta mo doon sa receiving area, i-ready mo yung passport mo, tsaka yung paper, yung receipt. At tapos ibigay mo dun sa receiving at bibigyan mo nila ng parang maliit na form. Nakalagay doon, nilagay mo kung not pregnant dun sa taas, tapos permahan mo, name, yung edad mo, tapos kung may history ka ng TB or medication, nilagay mo lang doon kung wala naman. And after that, hawakan mo lang yung papel, upo ka at magantay ka na tawagin na for x-ray. So after ng x-ray, we proceed na to the 4th floor, which is yung phlebotomy, kung saan kukuha na ako ng dugo. After that, pinapunta naman ako sa vital signs, which is same floor din naman siya. Kinuha lang sa akin doon yung height po, weight, and blood pressure. Go to 5th floor for eye test. So, pagpasok mo doon, papabasahin ka lang, cover ka ng mata mo ng mga letters. Pagkatapos naman noon, bibigyan ka niya ng form. Tapos, sasagutan mo lang yon. Pagkatapos mo sagutan, ibigay mo yung paper doon sa, yung katabi ng mga eye test, which is yung triage counter. Doon kasi yung queuing ng US, queuing ng doctor. So, kasi after ng eye test is, ano na siya, physical exam, one-on-one with the doctor. So, bigyan mo ulit sa triage counter and mag-wait ka kasi yun na yung physical exam is the last step of the medical. So, antayin mo yung white slip na sinasabi nila. Sana ba ako? So, pagka-receive ko ng white slip, dito, kabadong talaga ako dito. Kasi, dito na yung use ko for speed of count, for immunization, ganun. So, you can never tell talaga. I received my white slip. I was instructed na to go down to the 2nd floor. And, 2nd floor is immunization floor, something. So, napunta ko doon, binigay ko sa counter yung ating paper at in-interview ako ng kung kailan yung interview date ko, tapos yung may mga immunization record ba ako yung bata pa ako, tapos ayun na, sinulatan niya yung white slip kung kailan ang babalik at oras ng pagbalik ko, which is May 3rd today at 10 a.m. So, pumunta ako ng around 9:15 a.m. at pinapasok naman ako din. Then, pagka dating ko dun sa guard, binigay ko sa kanya yung white slip. Tapos, chinek niya dun sa computer, chinek siguro kung for immunization ako or for hospital. So, after niya check sa computer, tinatakan niya ako ng for immunization. Like, happy na ang heart kasi alam kong kasado ako sa medical. So, pinakyat ako sa 2nd floor at nagantay lang ako na tawagin. Tapos papabasahin ka doon ng waiver, na anything, na magbibigay sila kasi required ng US, yung ganitong vaccine upon entering the country. And then, pagpasok mo doon sa mag-immunize sa'yo, meron lang siya mga tanong, mga details, petitioner's name, something. And then, mas maganda mag-shorts na lang kayo kasi papahugad. Nag-pants kasi ako kanina. Pero meron silang parang saya doon. So, binaba ko naman yung pants. Kasi 5 vaccine ang ibibigay. Tapos, isa sa paa, here. Pakita ko kayo. Isa dito. Here. At tsaka. Dalawa dito. They require you to stay for another 30 minutes doon sa floor na yun. Kasi if anything, like observation, if anything like may side effect sa'yo or nirapan lang huminga or something, nag-allergy ka, at least nandun ka pa sa clinic at magagamot ka nila. So yun, wait for 30 minutes. Kung if you think naman you're okay, wala namang side effect sa'yo, then you can head home. At yung result pala ng immunization ko is, sabi nila, marireceive ko na lang sa email after like within 3 to 5 business days. So, yun lang ang experience ko sa aking medical, and I hope may na-learn kayo, may nakuha kayong idea. In preparation naman sa medical ko, I exercise, eat healthy, take vitamins, just stay healthy, and kung nahirapan kayong matulog before medical, I think it's normal. Kasi, di ba, sa excitement at kaba natin, mahirap talagang makatulog. More prayer. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching.